for coming to join us in this program. His Excellency Sim Fubara, the Executive Governor of Rivers State, thank you and for joining us. Let me also appreciate the chairman of this occasion, Senator John Azuta Mbata. Thank you for your leadership. There are very senior government functionaries here that came with the governor, others, the local government chairman. What is a traditional program? So let me appreciate the presence of the chairman of the Rivers State Council of Traditional Rulers. Thank you so much for coming to join us. Our host, thank you for inviting us and join you. Royal Highness is Dr. Kenwala. Thank you, and our Queen, thank you. And our other traditional rulers are here with us. Very senior citizens of Eshi and Rivers State are here with us. My gallant youths and very, very elegant women, thank you for being here with us. First, let me join the governor to also congratulate you for 10 years of service to our people. 10 years is a major landmark because in 10 years, people will know whether you are going to the right direction or not. But for you to still have the support of the people for 10 years and listening to you and with this governor ready to support you, I know you will make our people proud. So thank you for this celebration. And the celebration is unique. The first Eshi Festival of Food, Art, and Culture. Of course, Nigeria, our greatest problem today is food. People sometimes find it difficult to eat one good meal a day because of the crisis we have in some parts of the country, and farmers cannot go to farm. The economy is not too good, so even in the imported food becomes so expensive that ordinary persons cannot afford. Even those who we think are comfortable are complaining. So food becomes critical. And this land announced to the governor and myself this is the food basket of Rivers State, and it will remain the food basket of Rivers State. I congratulate the HA people. And when you are the food basket of Rivers State, you are also the food basket of sister states like Bayelsa, Imo, and others that surround you. Because just like a lot of food comes from the north down to the south, food from Eshi spread across the whole area. So we have to commend our HA people for still taking the farm work seriously and producing food for us. Your Excellency, the Governor, I'm happy I listened to you. Thank you for the support for the upgrading of the palace of Eze. And I know you are passing through some challenges. On occasions like this, I try to keep quiet. I don't like to say certain things. But first time you are holding the top political office. We pass through a lot. And just know that nobody becomes a general without fighting wars. So whatever challenges we are meeting now is baking you to be a general in politics. And with your total commitment and the support I've seen from the people of Rivers State, God will surely see you through. Don't be perturbed. Continue to do your work as you have been doing. The wishes of the people, the prayers of the people are with you. And God will see you through, and God will see Rivers State through. We want a peaceful Rivers State, because Rivers State is the center of the Niger Delta, and I always make it very clear. If we create serious perturbation in Rivers State, we are creating crisis in the Niger Delta, which is not good for our economy as a nation. We want a peaceful Rivers State. We want the governor of Rivers State to be allowed to remain calm and do his work. After he finishes serving, another person will take over. It is not here we know that they are there and do them part. But political offices, you have tenured, so you don't need to kill yourself over any political office. Allow those who are there to do their work, and after that, anything can happen. I plead with Rivers people to see that this state remain peaceful so that our people will develop. For the two chairmen, I was quite pleased when our king commended you. You hardly see kings commending chairmen of council. We always believe that the chairmen are not doing too well. And that is why we have crisis, even and insecurity problems in the state, in the country. Because the government at the lower level appears to be wobbling. But for our king to commend two of you, I'm quite pleased, and I also say congratulations. And I have to tell the governor, thank you for working with the political family in the state to get competent people who are doing the right things. I have to congratulate all of you for today. Congratulate you, and also thank you very sincerely for honoring me and honoring the governor with the chieftaincy title. And my flag is not, you removed it? No. You took it away, don't worry. And you have given me one big, that is the, yes, what is the title again? Ezido 1. The King of Peace. I promise I will continue to be the King of Peace. For all of us, I thank you all.
First, I want to thank the Almighty God who has made this day possible. Not just for me being here, but also for the celebrants to mark his 10th year anniversary. It is not an easy journey. People give birth 1 minute after giving birth. Life is being cut short. And today, we are marking a 10 years anniversary of the enthronement of a young man who God has saddled the leadership of these very great people in his shoulder. So I congratulate you and I wish you well. And I urge you to lead your people with the fear. With that, the sky will be your beginning because God is involved in your leadership. Let me thank our Father for coming to grace this occasion. It is not just the celebrant being close to him should give a good reason for him to come here. But it shows that he's a man who is very simple, who believes that humanity is the most and the priceless thing you can give to anybody. Coming here, celebrate with the Echie people is a sign of humility. So I want to thank you for coming and to being with us today. On my own part, I don't want to say much because I've been ambushed. Yes, I have to tell you the truth. I like avoiding this type of occasion, but I have no option. When I was told and I got a letter that our daddy will be coming here, I had to cancel all other programs that I had to be here to receive him and to honor him, because I know that is not everything I will tell you. He has stood with me in this most difficult period of our administration. So the little I can do is to come, to wait for him, to receive him, and to share in this honor. So that they welcome and thank you. For my timid supporters, I know you're happy that I'm here. Let me wave the title, Diko. So it shows that an affiliation of, I don't want to call the name, understand? I'm also a strong man. You can see it. I'm also I'm not just DK from anywhere. DK from the heart and the soul of the Ikwere and Eche nationality. I received this honor on behalf of my family and the good people of River State with all our hearts. And I want to thank you. That will not disappoint you. We will not disappoint you. We will continue to do our best to better the life of our people. You are aware we just recently awarded a road, Afra. You know the importance of that road. We are not just going to award it. We will make sure we see to the conclusion and completion of that road. I can assure you in the next 6 months, we'll be coming here to comment on that project. That is one among other things that we will do. But for today, I want to assure you your support is well noted, appreciated. In return, we will continue to do our best to lift up your faces before those people who believe that you made mistake in supporting us. We will not allow you to face any shame. We are happy today that in this event, it's no longer formal. We have the incumbent local government chairman, not just in it, but also in the moment. It's a sign that with patience, everything will be achieved. So please, continue to be law-abiding. We will follow up in the most rightful way, in the most just way, and we'll get to our promised land. Let me, the celebrant and the good people of Agoro and Eche, again, assured that we are with you. We'll continue to celebrate with you. And we will pass on our good word to you. I will not conclude because I know that in all these things, there is one most important thing that you want to hear. Is it not? Just one thing that you want to hear. When we speak all this grammar, we don't equate it with something. It's not working. I've assessed, or would I say, you know, as I entered here, I was looking around the palace and all those things. And I feel there are a lot of other work that need to be done here to support the Agoro people in extension. We will, not me, government, so that I don't say, I don't like using the word me because it's not my money, it's government money. Government will support His Royal Highness Eze Wala with a sum of 100 million to complete his palace. Thank you. And may God bless us all.